Good morning, my students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine and staying at your home and learning in regular basis. Okay. Now, welcome to video session. And you know that which class is going? Yes, science class is going and I am your science teacher. Yes, today is Monday and date is 27 July 2020 and which chapter we completed? Yes, right, my dear student, that we completed chapter number 4, that is reproduction in animal. Now I hope now you all know that what is reproduction and how it happening. Yes, reproduction is the ability in which living beings can produce their young ones of their own kind. Okay, now in this chapter we also learn about there is two way of reproduction, that is one is by birth, by giving birth, and another one is lay the egg. Yes, correct. So today we are going to do a activity that is on the page number 40. Okay, you all are having your book. Yes, just take out your book and open page number 4040. See, look at this. There is an activity on page number 40 and we will do only A activity. Okay, A activity, that is observe the different types of nest and eggs of birds. Watch the parental care. Parental care means the care which is given by parents. Just have how parents feed their children, taking care, okay, of bird and their nesting behavior. Okay, after that we will do the life skill. See, there is a yellow box, that is a life skill. Okay, you will do in your book. Okay, you will do this life skill in your book. What is that? There is something given related to bird. Okay, and you have to just read it and do the tick mark. Okay, so observe the different type of nest. I will provide you a video on which there is so many different type of bird, egg and nest. Have you seen that? I made a picture related to this activity also. But you know that before starting session, what we do? Yes, sentence of the day. First we will learn sentence of the day. After that we will start our session. So this is your sentence of the day. This is your sentence of the day. Practice like you have never won. Practice like you have never won. Perform like you have never lost. So student, you have to practice like you have never won and perform like you have never lost. Now student, let's start today's session that we are going to do activity, that is observe the different type of nest. So you can see that man has made a beautiful picture related to this activity. So in this activity we are going to see the different type of nest, egg and bird. Okay, there are so many birds present in our earth. Okay, so we are going to watch bird, their egg, their nest also. Okay, that is very interesting. I hope you will like it very much, that when you are going to watch bird and their eggs, that they are different in features and they are different in shape and size also. Okay, so let's start this session. Yes, we are going to start this session. Now student, let's start today's activity, that is activity A, page number 4040. Okay, what is your activity? We are going to do to observe the different type of nest and eggs of bird. Watch the parental care of birds and their behavior. So today we are going to see different type of nest and the egg of bird. Okay student, so let's start. Yes, so watch it. Now, do you know the name of bird? That is parrot. Yes. Now, look. The nest of parrot. How it is. Okay. Now, this bird parrots lays their egg. See? Yeah. After hatching this egg, it emerging into young ones. See? The baby of parrot. Okay. So, next we will see another word, that is peahen. Do you know what is a peahen? Yes, the female peacock. Okay. So, the peahen lay their egg here. See the nest of peahen? Okay. Now, after hatching this, see the peahen sitting on the egg. That means it just warming the egg, and it is called incubation. Okay. Now, after incubation, it emerging into young ones. So, this is a baby of peahen. Okay. So, come on the next. That is, next word is duck. See. The nest of duck, and here duck lay their eggs. After incubation, the egg break down and the baby chick come out. Okay, so this is duckling. You know duckling? Yes, the baby of duck. Okay, now shall we come on next? That is another bird. And it is crow. And you know what is the color of crow? Black. Yes. And see, this is the nest of crow. Okay. And in the nest there is a egg of crow. After hatching, the egg emerging into a young one. See the baby crow? Yes. So, this is the egg of crow, and it is a baby crow. Okay. Now, come to the next bird. That is woodpecker. See the nest of woodpecker? Yes, this is the nest and the egg of woodpecker. After emerging this egg into a young ones, that is a baby of woodpecker. Yes. So, these are the birds with different egg and their nest. Okay. See, the bird feed their baby. The bird feeding their baby. Okay. They take care of baby. Now, come to the next activity, that is activity B. So, in the activity B, we are going to make a list of some animals that give birth to young ones. Okay. Now, next activity is that we have to make a list of some animals that give birth to their young ones. Okay. Look at this picture. This is the picture of sheep and their baby is lamb. Okay. Next one is dog, and baby dog name is puppy. Yes. Next is horse, and young one's name is pod. So this is the animal with their young ones. Shall we come on next? Yes. Now come to the next animals that give birth to their young ones. Now look at this. Now animal name is cow and the baby name is calf. Very easy now? Yes, it is very easy, and you can recognize each animal and their baby name also. Okay. Now next one is bat, and you know bat is a mammal and it gives birth to a baby, and the young ones of bat is pup. Okay. Yes. Now next one is bear, and the baby name is cub. Now come to next, that is cat, and the baby name is kitten. Very easy now. So these are the animals which give the birth of young ones. Okay. Now come to the next one. Now student, we will do life skill. Okay. On the page number 4040. So you will open page number 40. Okay. Now what to do? As you know that we already completed these two activity in video, that in activity A we will do what we did. We watched the different type of nest and egg of bird. Okay. Now in B, what we done? List of some animal that give birth to the young ones. Okay. I hope this is now clear to you. Okay. Now shall we come on the next, that is life skill. So in the life skill, what we are going to do? Often we see the bird's egg around our homes. Children, often मतलब कभी कभी आपने कभी अपने घर के पास आसपास बर्ड्स एग, चिड़िया के अंडे को देखा होगा. There may be the eggs of a sparrow, pigeon, crow. Okay, maybe the egg of sparrow, pigeon, crow. Do you take care of such eggs or destroy them? So there are some questions related to bird egg, and you have to give the answer. Okay, if you do, you will take out. If you don't, just cross it. Okay, do you take care of such eggs or destroy them? Okay, now shall we start? One by one we will do it. Now number one is, when you see the egg of any bird, what do you do? Break the egg with the stick. क्या आप ऐसा करते हो? Break the egg with the stick? No, आप तो ऐसा नहीं करते हो. So you will put cross. Okay, you will put cross here. Okay, now next is play bat ball by using the egg as a ball. No, this is wrong thing. So you will put cross. Okay, now if you are doing, just put tick mark. Okay, if you are destroying the egg by hitting this stick, you will put tick mark. Okay, now do not disturb the nest of bird. Yes, do not disturb. If you watch any nest near your house, near your balcony, so don't disturb the egg. Okay, this is very bad thing. Now the next, cover the nest to protect the egg. Cover the nest to protect the egg. Yes, we can do it. हम करते हैं ऐसा. Place water in a pot for the bird. Yes, very good habit it is. Place water in a pot for the bird. It is very good habit. You should do this. Okay, student? So, this is your life skill, and you have to tick the thing you do. And if you are not doing this such type of thing, just put a cross mark. Okay, but when you are doing this thing, you have to put a tick mark also. Okay, student? So this is your life skill activity.